This sneaker is an ultra trendy style for the season. The standout feature is that platform midsole, which is going to give you 2 inches of boost in height all the way around the shoe. The upper is made partially of organic cotton, and they have a lace-up closure that gives them a sporty look. I really like this kind of bleach-dyed tie-dye effect you get on the upper. There's also a soft textile lining inside and the Softerra cushioned footbed at the bottom for a comfortable wear. It's all on top of a durable textured outsole.